as part of the ceremony, we have first to consider a sort of litany. If the group was not prepared, I have some of these for emergency purpose. I'm looking into the minister's manual on how the house is being dedicated, and there should be some form of litany, and I will just say it here, and I hope you respond to this litany. But before I do this, I would like to I would like to read some of the beautiful poetry that is in here. What is a home? A roof to keep out the rain, four walls to keep out the wind, floors to keep out the cold. Yes, but home is more than that. It is the laugh of the baby, the song of the mother, the strength of the father, warmth of loving hearts, light from happy eyes, kindness, loyalty, comradeship. Home is first school and first church for young ones, where they learn what is right, what is good, what is kind, where they go for comfort when they are hurt or sick, where